You can generate AI videos completely offline, completely for free. All you need is this app called Drawthings. So I'm running it here on my Mac. We're going to go in here and create a new project. I've already downloaded the model we're going to use today. We are using LTX 2.3 22B distilled. So right off the bat, I just want to warn you that a lot of the information you're going to see on prompting these things is a little bit outdated. So you no longer have to be super simple when you're prompting these local AI generation models, because they actually integrate Gemma now to better understand what you're saying. So you can get really specific, and you're going to want to. So you can see here you get an image interpreter, which is pretty cool. This can help you prompt your AI better. It's going to help teach you how the AI reads things and how it would describe things. So then if you can describe it back in the same manner, it's going to do a better job at generating that image or video. You can add a negative prompt, so that's something that you don't want. Obviously, you can add your prompt. You can select the style that you want. You can actually improve your prompt with just this button, tidy up your prompt, make it better. You can get really advanced in things here, but you won't need to do that if you follow these instructions, that is. And at the end of this video, you will be able to see how much battery this uses, because as you're going to find out, these are pretty intensive processes for your computer. We are going to do small today, just to make the generation faster for the purposes of this video. And for the total number of frames, we're going to do 121. And that is basically all you need to do here. So now let me show you how to make a better prompt for this. So you need to first keep in mind that everything you write is going to be entered chronologically. So don't talk about the ending at the beginning of your prompt. Do things in order. Any actions that you want to be happening in the video, really break them down. Don't just say the guy moves around frantically. Say what he's doing. Is he moving his arms? Where is he moving them? Above his head, below his head, right? You got to be specific. Tell it what the camera is doing. That is really important. If it doesn't know what the camera is doing, it's just going to take a guess, and it might be panning around. You might not like it, so be specific with what the camera is doing. Don't contradict yourself, so don't say running fast in slow motion. That just is going to confuse it. And then in this case, it is also generating audio, so describe the audio. So for my prompt, what I'm going to do is a man runs along a dock, the camera following him, and he leaps into the water with his arms outstretched and dives into the water, creating a big splash. And generate. So now this is going to begin the generation, and I'm going to update you with how long it took. It's going to take a while. You might not have a computer that can run this. I don't know what kind of computer you all are using. If this is something you'd really like to try, but you're just not in a place where you can right now, just drop a comment with what you want to test it with, and I'll run it for you, and then I'll send it to you. We'll get in contact. It is starting the sampling. So processing took like about a minute, and here we go. So there we go. It is starting to create it. You can see when it first starts making it, it's not only black and white, but vague, very vague. And then with each pass, it gets better and better. And now I'm running this on a MacBook Air M3. It only has 16 gigabytes of RAM, but it's not even raising my memory pressure that high. Now you're going to see this is, of course, not as good as the cloud models, but it's totally free, totally private, totally local. You can do this without any internet. So just keep that in mind. And these things are improving all the time. I mean, eventually local AI is just going to be the norm, but for now, that is not the case. We are sitting at 96 degrees on my SoC, and we have already drained 9% of its battery. And the M3 is a very efficient chip, so that is a lot of battery drain. So here we are, it is done. It took a total of 7 minutes. Now this is for a much lower resolution video than any of you would be using, so just keep that in mind. It will take longer on an equivalent system to mine, but some of you might be running more powerful computers, so maybe it'll be faster for some of you. This was our final result. I mean, come on. that was running locally on my laptop. Obviously, you can tell it's AI, but with where we're at, you're going to be able to tell. But I think that's totally serviceable. The only thing was that it kind of got wrong is there's no color, and the audio is a little scratchy, but I think it was just going for that kind of thing. The water looks really good. If you're interested in this kind of AI stuff, tons more of it on the channel.